In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify Payments Test Mode. How to enable test mode. First, make sure you're signed in to your Shopify admin with the right permissions. We'll enable a safe testing setup so you can check your checkout flow without charging real cards or collecting real payments. From your Shopify admin dashboard, head down to Settings. This is where all your store configuration lives, including payments. Open Payments to see your current payment setup and available providers. On the Payments page, look for the option to choose a provider. If you haven't connected a processor yet, you'll see a clear prompt to select one. Click Choose a provider to continue. When the list opens, switch to Third-party providers and look for the testing option. If you see a highlighted suggestion, follow it to reach the Test Gateway selection. Select Bogus Gateway. This is Shopify's built-in testing provider. It lets you run through checkout end-to-end without real transactions, and it's perfect for confirming shipping, taxes, discounts, and order notifications before you go live. On the Bogus Gateway Details page, read the note that explains what this gateway does. You'll see a message along the lines of Bogus Gateway is meant for testing. Shopify will not charge you transaction fees on orders paid with this gateway. That's your confirmation you're still in a test-only environment. You should also see guidance like 1. To simulate an approved transaction. This tells you how an approved payment will behave when you place a test order, so you know exactly what success looks like while testing. Once you've reviewed the information, click Activate. Shopify will save the provider and enable test mode using the Bogus Gateway. After activation, your storefront checkout will reflect this test setup, allowing you to safely validate the entire purchase flow. A couple of quick tips to keep you on track. Use small, inexpensive products when you test so you can move quickly. And pay attention to confirmation emails and order timelines to ensure everything triggers as expected. The text on the Bogus Gateway page explains how to simulate approval, so follow that when you place your test order to confirm that checkout completes and orders are created correctly. When you're satisfied that checkout, notifications, and order handling all work the way you expect, remember that this provider is only for testing. Before launching to real customers, return to payments and connect your live payment provider so actual funds can be captured. That's it.